Sports on Air.
Coach, yun lang po, how difficult lang was it for you guys to see Sue go down? Tapos ngayon, moving forward pa into the conference na medyo marami-rami rin crucial games for you.
Yeah, we good with that because we kind of we left him out a little bit too long. Looking back now, there was something we could have done. Me personally, we could have stopped him a little bit. That way, we could have gotten rest. But those things are, those are accidents you can't foresee. We just feel bad because he's such a good person and he's such a perfect fit for a team. Before he got the injury, he was already 38 points and he had 14 rebounds. So he really does a lot of things for us. And yeah, it's hard to enjoy the win knowing that you're moving forward and we probably won't have him in our future games. So,
like a sort of comfort that you have parang trial like to other imports. I'm not sure how that plays out technically with the PBA's rules, but kumbaga meron kang reserve imports.
yeah. Well, Prince cannot, he cannot because he's super high. Pero si Zach pwede naman, right? But the idea there is also you're looking at we're probably guard heavy in terms of the guys who get sa rotation. So we really need a big. The reason why we got Zach was a daming injuries. So parang they needed a guard sa ESL, right? But now, we'll have to reevaluate. Maybe we'll get back with our coaching staff. Usapan muna namin kung ano pwede namin gawin. Possibility Zach can be our import. Possibility also that we'll have to bring in another guy. But sayang kay Sue because even sa ESL, no Philippine team has won by taking this seriously. Diba? And I think if we have Sue, dapat kami. And there are 2 games here, I think 27 and 3rd. We were hoping that he could play. We want to win one. I think Sue you've seen capability niya. And not anything with Prince and Zach, we're good also with them, but at least we had options. But tama ka doon, we might have to consider Zach and then keep an open mind. We might have to look for another import with his size.
Habang mainit ang mga laman sa ating mga paboritong liga, mag-register sa 1xBet. Pwede nyo gamitin ang inyong browser or ang cellphone mapa-Android man o iOS. Gamitin lang ang inyong mobile number at huwag kalimutan ilagay sa promo code ang 1x on air. Kapag ginawa nyo yan, pwede kayong magkaroon ng bonus up to 7,000 pesos. Pwede nyo gamitin ang GCash account nyo para makapag-deposit or mag-cash out. Simple lang, di ba? Kaya mag-register na sa 1xBet. Thank you for watching. Click the subscribe button and ring the bell to be notified with our latest videos.